Hey everyone, I'm Rob. Hey, apologies for not posting some videos in the last week and a bit. Work has been very tough in a good way. And also too, it was Canadian Thanksgiving and I decided to celebrate Canadian Thanksgiving last weekend. And I also decided to host it with 9 people, including the person that I'm dating. And it was great. It was fantastic, but it's a lot of work. It is a lot of work to do Canadian Thanksgiving. So anyways, apologies for the delay and the silence, but yeah, I'm back to get in the saddle and share some cool ChatGPT stuff. Now, we won't be talking about the news today, but I'm going to do a quick demonstration of DallE-3. I got access last week and already I've been using it for multiple things from work, which has been really cool, and just playing around with it. So yeah, let's do a quick dive in. Now, this does require access to ChatGPT 4, so if you are a paid plus subscriber, you will have access to do this. All you have to do is go to the ChatGPT webpage, and when you see ChatGPT 4, just scroll down and click on DallE-3. From there, write in any sort of prompt that you want. So I've already used it to make a goodbye card for a colleague at work. She was our facilities manager and she was basically like the queen of the office. So I took inspiration and just made these sorts of things. So I tried to get the clouds to spell her name, which didn't come out so well the first time. So it took a couple iterations. I also used it at work yesterday to create a podium image for a leaderboard. So again, doing some iteration here. And it was, yeah, just really amazed by, what you put in. So if you put in cartoon, if you ask, to make the characters a little bit cuter, it will do that. Again, really, really cool stuff. And one thing that I thought would be super cool to do and fun would be to create DallE-3 images based on the last 10 people that have commented on my videos. The first is Uzkadonik 6018. STR 3048, Casey Martin 8831, Mickey Bain, I like this one, Swan 2058, 3Ul1, Julia Dogas 2996, Cyclo FN 9234. Again, it looks like they got the number wrong, but hey. This was one of my favorites, Vivian AF. It's like a little witch with ghosts. Like, how cute is that? Oh my gosh. And lastly, Bad Robot 5688. And there you have it. I mean, these were my top favorites out of the 4 that it produced. So if you want to check out the other top 4s, go ahead and look. Like, some of them are super cool. Like, this guy was also totally dope. Yeah, Casey Martin was also too. Like, let's make her a punk rock star. Mickey Bain was like this guy is just he's so goofy. It's also funny, Mickey Bain, I put his one in, but one of them didn't load because it said one of the images couldn't be generated due to our content policy. So I don't know what sort of tomfoolery it would have come out with, but hey, it's all fun and games. Anyways, that's it from me. Thanks for watching and thanks for catching up with me, even though things have been a little bit hectic. So with that being said, wishing everybody a wonderful midway through their week. Happy Wednesday. Have a great day, guys, and we'll catch you in the next video. Bye. A community of interesting technological enthusiasts and glamorous people are in a forum called Consulting AI with Rob. Everyone is equal, and they are sharing forward-thinking perspectives with one another. They are also wearing togas for some reason because apparently I'm imagining this to be like Greece, but with some chicken and chocolate soy milk.